Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you are watching another great episode of Garage Talk. So let's get on it. Now, several weeks ago, I made a short saying that I had received one of these, an Insta360 1-inch 360 camera. Insta360 did not send this to me. I did actually order this with my own money. And I told you guys I would use it for a couple months, then I'd give you my opinion and let you know if I was sending it back or not. Well, the wait is over and I'm sending it back. So that's all you wanted to hear. I appreciate it. Just hit like and subscribe on your way out. If you want to stick around to see why or hear why I'm sending it back, I'd really appreciate that a lot. So let's first talk about the camera itself. Now the camera itself, you can see, all right, and I'm going to do an overhead view, fits in my hand. It's definitely bulkier than the 1X2, which I was using previous to this, and it definitely weighs a lot more than the 1X2. Comparably speaking. Now, I did get a different mount for my helmet, on my mountain bike helmet, and it's a matter of fact. Yeah, you like that? And so I redid, you guys can see that, hopefully it's not blurry, on the helmet there, the mount. I had to reinforce it, and I got an aluminum bracket to clip that in because of the additional weight. I was worried about it snapping the mount off. Now, the first time I went out for a ride, I definitely noticed the additional weight as far as head and supporting it. But I quickly got used to it, and to be honest with you, the weight's not even a factor, or the foam factor. To be honest with you, when I'm on the trail, it was a lot easier to hit the record button with my gloves on and just do that one tap recording. So in a lot of ways, this camera had great functionality, better functionality for me on the trail than the 1X2. However, the $400 price difference between the 1X2 and what this one is, to me, in my opinion, for what I am using it for, isn't worth it, guys. The Instagram shorts or the Instagram reels, the YouTube shorts, the TikTok videos, the little bit of footage that I cut in with this or my 1X2 with the drone footage that I shoot when I'm on the trail, people don't know the difference, to be quite honest with you. And I'll have some links down below to some of the trail videos that I shot with this. It looks identical to the trail video stuff that I was using with the 1X2. Now, I am going to have links down below for a video from Philip Bloom and Brandon Lee, who did an extensive review on this camera. And for what they are using it for, as far as that pure content creation with the additional shots as a B-roll camera, yes, this camera would be amazing and I could totally see using it that way. The problem is, I won't. And so I honestly can't see myself or anybody else paying the $7.99 price tag for that, all right? What I need is something that's completely resilient to the elements. This isn't it. Something that's gonna definitely be able to take the bang-arounds if I go OTB over the bars or hit a branch or something like that. This isn't it either. Now, I did get a cage for this to offer some additional protection because I didn't want to take the chance of screwing it up in case I was gonna send it back. And I have one of those on my 1X2 as well. So, is this camera awesome? Yes. Is the footage that it produces in good light and low light situations superior to the 1X2? Absolutely. There's no doubt about it. A little bit less sharpening, a little bit less noise. This camera does a lot of great things for a pure content creator who's going to be, like I said, Brandon Lee and Philip Bloom are two great examples. But for someone like me who's just hitting the trail and using it to cut in as a helmet cam, or on the stick or something like that while I'm hiking, seriously, I'd rather get an extra battery, okay, or buy the 1X3 and a couple extra batteries and still have money left over in my pocket, guys, because at the end of the day, no one's gonna notice the difference. And at the end of the day, if I really wanted my footage to look a little bit nicer, okay, I could always just use Topaz and just wash it through Topaz Video Enhance. A lot of people do it, and that is also an amazing product. We might do a review on that at some other point. So, again, great quality camera. Insta360, I think, hit it out of the park with this as far as being a 1-inch sensor and that upgrade. Just for me and what I do, I can't justify the additional money because I am not utilizing this to its fullest potential, nor will I in the future. So that's why I'm sending it back, guys. Hopefully that was helpful for you. Hopefully this will help you make a decision on the camera that you choose to record your outdoor adventures, whether that's hiking, backpacking, mountain biking, like I said with the cam. I love putting it on the top of my head as far as a helmet goes. But it also illustrates that law of diminishing returns. You know, the additional resolution on this really goes unnoticed when people are watching most of their content on their phone or a crappy computer screen for that matter. So again, kind of have to balance that out and make the decision for yourself. But there's my 2 cents, and again, those links are going to be down below. So like, subscribe, bell notification icon. It's a trifecta. It helps out the channel, helps out the video, and we need all the help we can get. There's going to be some links down below to our social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work, okay? Necessary, though, to get the word out for Get Out Arizona and keep up on all our day-to-day affairs, group hikes, group rides. It's a lot of fun, guys. We do a lot of cool stuff. Again, links for Philip Bloom, Brandon Lee. Those guys are amazing. 2 great videos, super in-depth reviews on these cameras, on this camera, I should say. And do yourself a favor if you're thinking about buying one, maybe you're on the fence, what you do as far as content-wise, watch those videos, guys. I think it'll help you make up your mind. And yeah, the rest of the links are Amazon affiliate links, guys, on things I think you should have out on the trail, maybe some gear to make your own videos. Follow one of those links and you make a purchase, we'll receive a commission. You won't be charged anything additional. Helps out with park passes, gas money, and coffee money. Super important, that trifecta. So on that note, my friends, what do we say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. We'll see you on that next adventure, my friends. Take care, everybody.